Hi, this is Big Sky and Beyond, and I'm here to talk to you about packing light and traveling with carry-on only. Let's get started. When traveling abroad, it can be really hard to know exactly what to bring and what not to bring, and sometimes we need a little motivation. There are so many benefits to packing light that your future self will thank you for. Today, we're talking about how to pack light. However, we're going to focus on 5 tips just for the gals. Tip number 1, go natural with your hair or wear it in braids. By doing this with your hair, you can leave bigger items like the blow dryer and the curling iron at home and save room in your bag for other things. Also, consider all of the products that you put in your hair in the course of a week. Maybe you could minimize which ones you use and how much you use of them, or you could put them into smaller containers and save some space. This will leave a lot of space in your suitcase because you won't have those bulky items in there, and you can free up quite a bit of space for things like souvenirs. Tip number 2, share your clothes with a friend. By sharing with a friend, you can easily end up packing half the amount of clothes that you would normally bring. Just divide who's taking what in their suitcase, and then again, you're gonna have a ton of free space for other things. In order to pack light, you're gonna have to think like a backpacker. And a backpacker's not gonna take 2 outfits for every day. Instead, pick a color palette for your clothing. Here's an example of using oranges and greens for your color palette and all your clothes so that you can mix and match what you're wearing. Here's another idea for the gals, so you don't have to pack quite as many clothes. Rather than packing a dress that has a pattern, which can usually only be worn once, choose a solid colored dress and then spice it up with some jewelry or belts or scarves like this. Number 4, go smaller on the packaging and the amount of product that you bring. For example, move all of your product to a smaller container like this. Remove all of the cardboard packaging or bulky packaging for all the items that you have. Rather than bringing bulky makeup, ask your makeup consultant for some one-time use makeup samples to save a bunch of space. Number 5, bring shoes that you can use for more than one occasion. For example, shoes like these can be worn at the beach, they can be worn with shorts and tank tops, or even with a dress, allowing you to not have to bring quite so many shoes and have more space in your suitcase. Packing light and doing carry-on only is a big challenge. You don't always have the time to plan and strategize and put together just the perfect package to fit into these 2 small suitcases. Packing for the gals can be hard because we have so many things that we like to wear, and usually wearing the same outfit more than once isn't quite so cool. But now you have 5 tips to help you pack light but still have fun with your hair, makeup, and outfits. I hope you've enjoyed these tips and tricks and strategies on packing light, and I wish you all the best on your upcoming travels. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below. I have a lot of content in the works, from travel to fitness to cold plunges and photography lessons. So be sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy travels.